Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you really quickly how you can access the developer tool or dev mode in Figma, for example, to access specific developer features. So let us show you how to do it. Head over to your design on Figma. Let me go with that one here. And there are basically two different ways how you can access the developer tool. The first option would be to simply take a look at that list of tabs here at the bottom. And the one here to the very right, dev tool or dev mode, is the developer mode. So simply click on it to access it. As you can see, you can only access it with a pro subscription here on Figma. So I can't do it right now, but that's how you access the developer mode. If you'd like to use a shortcut for that, guys, simply use the shortcut Shift and D for that. That is going to enable the developer mode or dev mode as well. So that's how we do it, guys. You will see the developer mode here to the right with with these features and functions to use the developer mode. So that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.